What's up guys, in this video I will show you the strategy that I use and several trades that I opened. So what does my strategy consist of? My strategy consists of the supply and demand zones, liquidity and break of structure. So for example, we are in uptrend, okay? This is our price action. Here we have demand zone. This is our liquidity. And yeah, of course, the strategy has a main rules, and one of the main rule concerned to the liquidity. This is our main rule. Liquidity must take out its own high or low. What does this mean? This means that this movement should break this high. Okay? Why this movement? Because here we have liquidity, and when price break our high or low, this called is a break of structure. Okay, here our break of structure. After that you can open trade at the end of the candle that close in our direction. Okay, our target will be this high. So guys, my strategy looks like this, and yeah, you will have to open trades according to the plan, to the trend, my bad. As they say, the trend is your friend. So now I will show you in the reply mode some of my trades that I opened. So the site I use for the reply mode, this is the FX reply. First trade that I open is the NZD cut. Okay, so guys, in this pair we can't determine the trend because here we have the consolidation and we don't know which trend it is, and because of that we go to the 4-hour time frame and draw support and resistance levels at the end of the low. Okay, this is our last low. We draw support zone and the price should touch our level more than 3 times. Then we can determine what trend we are in now. So in this pair we tap this level first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the more than 3 times, and in this pair we are in uptrend. Okay, okay, and here we have our demand zone, first zone. This is our second zone. Okay, and which zone I took? I take the zones that give me the good reaction, and because of that I will wait the reaction from the zones. Okay, so we are wait. As I said, my strategy consists of the supply and demand zones, liquidity and break of structure. This is our liquidity. Okay, and liquidity must take out its own high. This is our high. This is our break of structure. And so when price come to your zone, you will have to wait for the candle to form a wick from the zone, like here. Okay, the candle shouldn't close inside the zone. It's the second main rule. Okay. After that you should wait for the close the candle in our direction. Okay. After, open at the end of the candle. So here we have the candle that close in our direction. We open at the end of the candle, and after that we put the stop loss 1 pip under the wick. Okay, and our target will be this high. Why this high? Because we determine the trend is bullish. Because of that, we target this high, and my rules is the minimum risk to reward should be 1 to 3. Okay, we wait, and so yeah, this is our first trade. This was my first trade, and second trade was from this zone. I chose the first zone because we have the good reaction, as you can see here, and now I choose the second zone. Yeah, why this in the trading view this looks like this, so I will show you in the trading view. Let me remove this. Okay, what we have here, we have the good reaction, excellent reaction. Okay, we have the wick from our zone, and we have the candles that close in our direction. Okay, we put the stop loss under the wick by 1 pip. Our target will be this high. So as you can see, this was my second trade. So guys, the third trade that I opened was in USD GPY. So in USD GPY, as you can see, we are in uptrend. This is our high, high, low, high, high, low, high, high. This was just literally retracement. After retracement, we go to the up. We go to the up to break off this high. Okay. So we determine the usage of buy in bullish. After that, we should choose our demand zone. This is our demand zone here. After demand zone, we should choose the liquidity. This is our liquidity, and after liquidity, as a main rule, we're looking for break of structure. Okay, liquidity must take out his own high or low. In this example, this is our break of structure. Okay, after that we should wait for a week from our zone. Okay, so as you can see, this is the week at the candle of at the close of this candle. After that, we should wait the candles that close in our direction. Okay, in this example we are in a bullish, and we are waiting for blue candle. Okay, as you can see, this is our blue candle that close in our direction. We put our order at the end of this candle, and our target will be this supply zone. Why this supply zone? Because we have the insane reaction because of these supply zones. Okay, we just wait. So, guys, so as you can see, we are in bullish trend, and our risk reward in this trade was 7.3. okay, I will show you this trade in the trading view, but I take TP1 at the 4.2. okay, TP2 was 7.01. So guys, that's all, and of course I will record a video where I talk about the rules of the strategy, because without these rules your win rate will be under the 30%, and it will be not good for you to achieving the success in trading and be the consistent profitable trader. Okay, so guys, you know what you should do. You should do a backtest. Yeah, man, backtest. Do a fucking backtest, and you will be profitable anyway. If you don't give up, if you keep pushing, you will be profitable anyway. Don't give up. Do a backtest. Do a validate on the real market. So have a good day, guys.